Tesla guarantees its Tesla Model S is the business most secure auto. By goodness of Tesla's deconstruction of government crash comes about that give Tesla a 5.4 rating on a size of 1 to 5. Is Tesla blowing its own horn boisterously in an open place, or is the electric vehicle pioneer recommending we require better crash tests? Maybe both. 3 years prior, the legislature patched up test systems in light of the fact that the outcomes looked like report cards at Harvard where generally everybody got an A. It might be the ideal opportunity for another modified. Tesla this week crowed about getting 5-star comes about no matter how you look at it. On all crash tests keep running by NHTSA, the Department of Transportation's National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. In a discharge, Tesla took data gave to makers on the General Vehicle Security Score (VSS), revised the information, and presto, the Model S accomplished another consolidated record of 5.4 stars. Once an auto meets the 5-star standard for the most astounding rating in a specific crash test, NHTSA gives no additional kudos for how far an overachiever goes past the 5-star edge. Here's a case. The Tesla S and Volvo S60 both got 5-star evaluations in all classes. In the side post-interruption test, Tesla says, the Model S safeguarded 63.5% of driver remaining space versus 7.8% for the Volvo. Both legitimacy 5 stars, however which auto would you rather ride in? Viewing the frontal effect test video versus other crash tests I've seen on record and face-to-face, the Model S appears, from the video, which isn't logical proof, to complete an outstanding activity constraining the majority of the effect folding to the haggle, giving a strong edge of well-being for tenants. A rollover test measures the probability of a vehicle moving over the worst thing about tall SUVs, and the rooftop pounding its inhabitants. Tesla aced that one, as well. Yet, there's additional. Amid approval testing that Tesla requested up at an autonomous lab, the Model S wouldn't move utilizing conventional test techniques, and in the trial of rooftop quality, the testing machine fizzled at simply over 4 grams, meaning that no less than 4 extra completely stacked Model S vehicles could be put over a proprietor's auto without the rooftop.